Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your crayon style anime twin using AI. So if you want a cute crayon drawn anime twin of yourself like this, for example, here I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how you can generate a whimsical hand-drawn crayon anime portrait using AI. So I'm going to also give you the exact prompt settings and here let's just get started. So I'm using Gemini AI to create this one, but you can also use any other AI that you prefer. You can use Chat GPT or maybe Pixverse or any other AI. So in here I'm going to start by going to Gemini apps on my phone. You can also do it on Gemini site if you want to, and then just go through the image generation feature or the nano banana AI in Gemini. You can click on this create image with banana icon, and now you can just write the prompt. So the prompt is quite long. If you want to, I can also provide it in the comment. Just ask me for the prompt and I'll give you. So here's the prompt: convert the provided photo into a whimsical children's illustration in a style of attached reference artworks if you have one. And here I'm using also the facial features and proportion that I use rounded childlike proportion, and the body proportions in here slightly exaggerated, playful and simplified. And the coloring and brushstroke, I'm using soft blending with pastel tones, and the brush styles sound resemble traditional gouache or crayon or texture digital paint. And here I'm using I'm providing also the consistency of the photo. So I prefer the original clothing here, color and skin tone, and also eye color, and the feel is playful, charming and innocent. And here there's also a negative prompt, but this is optional. You can also skip that if you want to. So you can click on the plus button and then just upload your photo. Here I'm going to find my photo in here. So for example, I'm going to use let's say this photos right here. Okay, this one. Click on done and then tap on this send button to generate the image. Okay, so now once the image is generated, you can just scroll down. So here is the image based on my prompt. If you like it and if you're satisfied with the result, you can just download it. And if you want to combine the original profile photo that you provided and also the cartoon, so it will look like your twin, you can just use a photo editor, maybe like Epic or Fisco, or maybe any photo editor apps that you use. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.